Hello traders, we are recording this video today because a trader called Krishna Z061, that's a nice name, beautiful name, Krishna Z061, beautiful name, did ask a question in the comment section. He said, could we enter the trade before the price breaks a new high if there is a small swing? So I believe, if my recollection is correct, it's something to do with swing trading, but also with day trading, of course. When I was recommending to traders that it's better, okay, for the price to break, so in an uptrend, so the price form a high, okay, the safest place to buy is when the price breaks above the price high. So you see here, it went up and then pulled back. Now it breaks above the prior high, and now it retested it. This is the best place to enter the trade using a top-down trading method, multiple time frame trading method, different time frame trading method. So the question that the trader is asking, if I understand clearly your question, if not, correct me in the comment section, is that can we enter the trade, all right, before the price breaks a new high, all right, if there is a small swing. So see here, it went up, okay, it pulled back. Yes, we can enter the trade before the new high, but the only thing that you need to know is that when you are buying below the new high, you need to be aware of the resistance ahead, which is okay, that high right there, okay. So price goes up, this is the high, it pulled back. This common central line here should be broken. This one here. Am I talking to myself? That common central line here should be broken. And then you will implement a top-down trading method to buy. If you buy it, your first target is this high here, the prior high right here. As you can see here, the price went up, you see here, a bit. Now again, a pullback. Now that resistance is still there. Now those who bought it here, again you can see, they took their profit as it was approaching that resistance there. Again here, price did pull back again, small swing again. All right, people bought it here. Now, if you bought it here after this common central escapade, you will use a different time frame trading method to enter the trade. Same thing you do here, common central escapade, pull back, common central escapade, price closes above that common central line. You will use a different time frame trading method to buy, and again, your first target will be at that high here. If you do not want to close the trade, you need to move your stop loss at least to break even or secure some of your gain, because sometimes, like you see here, some trader will come out and the price will pull back. And you don't want a winning trade to turn to become a losing trade. But look, after all this blah, 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 below that high, because understand that a lot of traders out there are very cautious. They are conservative traders. They are very prudent. So they don't like to play this game below that high there. So what they will do, all right, they will be very patient. And sometimes they probably do all kind of blah, blah, blah as it did here. But finally, it will do exactly what everybody was expecting, which means breaks above that high and retest it in an orderly fashion, and then people will buy here. Those are conservative traders. See how the price ran after that, because that's what they were waiting for. All right. If you look here again, here you see price breaks above that high, and then you see small wick here, retest. All right. And then before people bought it again, and it went up. Okay. And now again, it tried to pull back again to retest that high. That's the high here. And people bought it again, couldn't touch it here. How do you know that's going to turn around? The common central line should be kaput, and the bullish currency bar should pierce it a bit, and then you implement a top-down trading method. If the price form a new high, like it did here, this high here, in comparison to this one here, followed by a higher low, common central is kaput, that's another invitation to buy. You don't want to miss it. Draw your trend line, just flow with it, okay, gently, gently. So yes, we can buy it if, okay, breaks a new high, okay. Going into the trade before the price breaks a new high. If there is a small swing, yes, but it's a little bit risky. You need to be aware of that high ahead. It is a resistance, but one can be just patient and wait for that high probability to set out, breaks above the prior high, retest it. Like a pro, you use a different time frame trading method to trade. If the signal fell, close the trade and go away. I hope I have managed to answer your essential question. Krishna Z061. All right. Excellent question. Thank you for asking an essential question. All right. If you find this video truly useful, please let us know by giving us the thumbs up. If you dislike it, please mark it down. If you think it's an essential tutorial, feel free to share with your friend on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Reality STW24 traders answering a specific question: could we enter the trade before the price breaks a new high? If there is a small swing, a question asked by Krishna Z061, a YouTuber. Happy to meet you all, and I will speak to you